Whether you are brand new to crypto or are a long-time hodler, at some point you've probably asked yourself, where should I put my crypto once I buy it? And it's the same type of question that you ask once you get paid in a fiat currency like the US dollar. Like, do you put the money in the bank? Do you put it in an investment account? Or do you just take it all in cash and put it under your mattress? How are you going to store that value? When it comes to cash, it is a bit easier because you already know of so many different places that you can put the cash. But with crypto, I'm here to tell you that there are so many great places where you can store your crypto for long-term gains. But before we start, Alfacash is a great platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange all cryptocurrency digital assets and other blockchain tokens. So be sure to hit the link in the description below and start trading today. Also, this is a brand new YouTube channel, so go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for much more content. Now let's get into it. Now, there are many different types of wallets that you can store your cryptocurrencies in, but ultimately it comes down to two main categories, which are cold wallets and hot wallets. Now, before you ask, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? A cold wallet just means that it is not available online, and a hot wallet means that it is available online. While both types of wallets are great and have a lot of useful functions, to find out which one's the best for you, it ultimately comes down to your preferences, accessibility, and level of security that you want for your cryptocurrencies. And now, first, let's dive into cold wallets. So like I said before, a cold wallet means that it is not connected to the internet. So you could think of this as essentially storing your money in a vault. It is the most private and secure way to store your cryptocurrencies. One of the big fears of cryptocurrency is the potential hacks or someone trying to steal your money. Because this is a decentralized system, there's no bigger party that's looking over and can ensure your money. Which is why making sure that your coins are safe and cannot be touched by anybody else is very, very important. And this is why cold wallets are a very popular option. With most cold wallets, you're going to put your currency onto a separate hard drive, kind of like a USB drive, and then you're just going to keep your cryptocurrencies there. And then the only times that you can actually touch the coins is when you plug that hard drive back into a computer, and you can do this to either deposit more or to take those coins out. So if your main focus is the security aspect for long-term holdings, then I would say cold wallets are a great option for you. However, there are a few downsides with cold wallets. The first being accessibility, and because it is on a separate hard drive, this means that it is a bit more time consuming when you actually want to access these coins. Also, cold wallets in general are a bit harder to use, so this means that you have to do a bit more research on your end in order to make sure that it is the best wallet that's going to keep everything secure and you're not going to have any problems with it. And the last downside of cold wallets is the price. Because hardware is a bit expensive, you're going to find yourself paying anywhere from $50 to a couple $100 for a good wallet. And if this level of security really interests you, some great cold wallets that I would recommend are KeepKey, Ledger, and Trezor. And now the other type of wallets that you can use are hot wallets. And like I said before, hot wallets are available online, so this makes this whole process very, very accessible to you. Hot wallets are usually free and pretty easy to use, so there's not a lot of prior knowledge or commitment that you need in order to start using one. Also, most of the crypto exchanges you probably use already have hot wallets built in. But if you don't want to keep the currency in the crypto exchange wallet, you can easily just transfer it to another hot wallet by putting in the address. But one of the best reasons for storing your crypto in a hot wallet is that you have the option to get paid in interest or also get paid by staking your cryptocurrencies. And this is such a great way to earn passive income on your crypto, and it will really help you build up your portfolio. Now, the cons for hot wallets include that obviously because it is on the internet, that means that it is not as secure as a cold wallet would be. And while most hot wallets really work hard to ensure their security, obviously there is the potential hack that could come through the system. And while this is very, very rare, it is still a possibility. And also, years ago, there were a couple hot wallets that once they had everyone's money in there, they just closed up their doors, locked everyone's account, and they just ran away with the money. So everyone who was storing their money in that hot wallet just was out of luck. So at the end of the day, while a lot of these things are very rare, it is a potential risk. So what I'm saying is that it is best to do your own research and to look into some of the hot wallets that are used and trusted amongst the community. Some examples are Brave browser, which is a desktop browser, BlockFi, which you can earn interest, and also Alfacash, which is a great crypto exchange. And now that you know some of the different options of where you can store your cryptocurrencies, you can decide which wallet is best for you so that you could hodl that bag and wait until your coins go to the moon. And now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And to keep up with even more on the crypto scene, you can go and check out our blog at blog.alpha.cash. See you in the next video.